Would you like to know how to tie a uni knot? Well, you've come to the right place. The uni knot is an absolute must-know for every angler. I'm Anthony from Reel Outfitters Co, and in today's video I'm going to show you step by step how to tie a uni knot. The uni knot is a great way to tie line to hooks, swivels and even lures. In my opinion, it's the most versatile fishing knot to cover many different applications. Sharing knowledge is something that I love doing, so I decided to create a series on how to tie various fishing knots. This is the first episode of the fishing knot series, so be sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell and be notified whenever I bring out a new video. Also, at the end of this video, I've got a great competition for you guys to get in on. Stay with me till the end to find out what it is. Let's go. Jumping into the uni knot, to demonstrate I'm using this clip and string line so it's easier for you to see. The first thing you want to do is run the line down through the eye of whatever you're tying to, then pull the tag end back parallel to the main line, leaving about 15 centimeters to play with. Now give the two parallel lines a pinch with your left hand. Once you've got that held firm, take the tag end and form a loop over the top of the main line, leaving a decent sized loop, and then with the tag end run around the two parallel lines about 5 to 7 times, keeping those loops nice and tight. And then once you do that, grab on the tag end and you can start the cinching of the knot. This is where you'll lubricate the line before the uni knot binds together, and then you might want to just help it up there and pull that main line down so your knot just slides all the way down to whatever you're tying to. And then that's it. Trim your tag end and you're done. Give me a thumbs up in the comments if you're getting it, guys. I'd love to know. Into an actual situation now. I've got some 55-pound fluorocarbon leader line and an 8/0 hook to make it a little trickier. Run the line down through the eye of the hook, pulling the tag back to make two parallel lines, leaving you 15 centimeters of tag to play with, and then pinch the two lines with your left hand. Make a loop with the tag end over the main line and grab the tag to feed around the two parallel lines through the loop about 5 to 7 times. The fluorocarbon line does tend to have a mind of its own with its line memory, so to keep control of it, just keep pinching nice and tight to stop it unraveling, and then pull on the tag end and lubricate the knot. Continue to pull the tag end and the uni knot will start to cinch. You can help it bind by pushing with your left hand all the loops up and then being careful of the hook piercing your skin there. Then grab the main line, pull to make the uni knot slide down onto the hook nice and tight, and you're almost there. So guys, the way I finish all of my knots is I use these fishing knot sticks here. The link will be in the description to them. So simply unscrew one stick from the other, and that's going to allow one stick in each hand, and then you can easily grab the line on one side and just twirl that around one of the sticks about 3 to 4 times, and that'll just keep it from slipping. And then we'll grab the other stick and in this case put it inside the hook so that we can get a good grip on it and really cinch that knot right down. And there you go, that's cinched all the way down. And if we put those down, we can see there we've just got to trim that tag end just a little bit, and keeping a little bit there just in case. And there you have it, guys, a perfectly looking uni knot. Awesome. Now that you've learnt the uni knot, here's the details about the competition. Let's get to the good part first, the prize. So the prize is a set of these fishing knot sticks. Now, you've all seen how useful these fishing knot sticks are, and you get to choose one in the colour of your choice. Now, all you need to do to enter is like this video, comment the words fishing knot tool down below, and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. There will be 2 winners. So if you miss out on the draw at the end of this month in January, there will be another chance for you to win at the end of next month in February. So stay tuned. If the competition doesn't interest you at all, please feel free to connect with us on all other social media platforms, including our email VIP subscriber list. All of the links will be in the description below, including all the products we've used. If you'd like to view the second episode in the fishing knot series about how you can use the double uni knot to tie a braided line to mono or fluorocarbon leader line, go ahead and click the video right here. That's a wrap for the first episode, guys. Did you nail the knot? Let me know in the comments. I'm out for now. See you on the next one.